Get ready with me while I do some Gua Sha. Using your favorite face oil, applying it onto your skin just enough to where the tool is gliding seamlessly and not sliding off, making sure to set your intention and show the neck and the shoulder area love using the Gua Sha tool, starting on the nape of the neck, going in an upward motion, releasing any tension that you may be having there, working toward the front of the face, doing all of these movements in this tutorial 3 to 5 times. Now working on the neck and the jaw area. This is one of my favorite areas to work on because this is when you really realize how much tension is in your jaw. So many of us grind our teeth at night. And now working on the lower half of the face and making sure that as we work on releasing those fluids, the lymphatic system, that we are taking time to drain. And now I'm bringing some blood flow into those smile lines and making sure that you are working towards your ear or your scalp area, doing a little bit of a wiggle to release any extra tension, and working on the eye area very gently, using a supportive hand, using the other hand to create a little bit of tension, and draining down. And now that we've taken some extra fluid, we're going to go ahead and drain from the jaw area. Taking your small tool, if you can, and working on any fine lines that I may have here. This helps to increase blood flow in that area. And now we're working in the eyebrow area. Really feeling the flow. Now working on the eyebrow area. There are 2 ways that you can do this. You can use a tool that way or use the edge of the tool going towards an upward motion towards your scalp. And this helps to release any tension that you may have. Gua Sha is a wonderful way to de-stress, to get in tune with yourself, to radiate from within. And as you strengthen the connection to yourself, you'll be able to be at ease. And now working on the other side, doing the same thing, showing the other side the same love that we showed the opposite side. And here again, bring blood flow to those wonderful smile lines that we need to be proud of. And we're doing Gua Sha not to change anything, but really to pay attention to our body, to release those toxins that we accumulate over time. And walking those fingers, really begin to say those beautiful words to yourself, saying that you are worthy, you're abundant. Again, working towards the scalp, knowing that you have all you need within, building clarity of mind with this beautiful practice, knowing that this is more than just working on your face and body, that this is a practice that is more than just your skin. It is a healing modality. And again, working on the eyebrow area, letting go of what no longer serves you, knowing that you can achieve all of your goals, and owning who you are, owning your intuition, that you are luminous. I hope you enjoyed this.